Knives Out. It's a murder mystery. It's a good movie, but a few flaws are there. I'll highlight it later on. It's about the patriarch of the family, who is an old grandfather, you can say, and he has been given the wrong injection since the dosage was put. The other one, morphine, instead of morphine it was injected something else by a Brazilian nurse, but actually she was not instrumental in killing him, because later on, when the investigation was on by the detective Daniel Craig and two of his associates, it came to know that she had injected the right one. It was on top of it, the label was there, it had to be removed, so it was morphine itself. But what happened, since she got scared because that was pasted on top of it, she thought that she is responsible for the death, and she was a very loyal nurse, and she discussed this matter with the old man, and old man didn't want her to face the brunt. So what he did, he killed himself, and he wrote the entire property on her name. And the man who was responsible for all this was his grandson, who was Captain America. And from the beginning only one can figure it, one could have figured it out that he is responsible. The way his mannerisms, he was very confident, overconfident, and a lot of snobbish attitude, lot of air, you can say. And from the beginning only, his aura was kind of negative, you can say. And later on, when the investigation was carried on, it was known that he is responsible. And when the family members came to know that the entire will has gone to this nurse, they were totally devastated. They started pampering her. They started calling her and say that you have to do something about it. And one of the girls, she said, my mother is broke. She was supposedly the daughter of that patriarch. And the nurse, since she was a good female, Martha, she said that okay, I will help her out. But the entire palatial house belonged to her. So the mystery was uncovered. So if the director would have done something about the man who was not that, his mannerism should not have been like that from the beginning. Otherwise, I'll give 4 stars to the movie. You can watch over and over again.